Good morning, scholars, and welcome to another morning meeting. Thank you so much for always coming on to do morning meeting. Your teachers miss doing morning meeting with you, but I hope you're having a little bit of fun with this at home. So remember, when we're reading our morning meeting message, you read the highlighted words, and Miss Ribeiro will help you with the rest. So let's start. Good morning, Kinder. Today is Monday, April 27th. 2020. We're getting to the end of April. So what month is April? What month of the year? Very good. It's the fourth month of the year. And what's our day? The 27th. Excellent. And our year is 2020. So if you notice this month, the only thing we've been changing is our day. We don't have to change our month or the year because those stay the same when it's April 2020. Let's continue reading our message. Weekend. What did you do? What did you do on the long weekend? We had Friday off of school. Did you do something fun outside? You are loved and missed. You're loved and missed, friends, and we're so happy that we get to see some pictures of all of your hard work, so keep up the great work. All right, we're going to start by counting by tens. We start with 10. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job, friends. I have a question. What is 10 more than 30? 10 more than 30. 40. Very good. What is 10 less than 30? 10 less than 30 is 20. Good work, friends. Now we're moving on to counting by fives, by fives, by fives, by fives. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Very good. And I have one more big question. What number is this? 40. What is 5 more than 40? 5 more than 40 is 45. Great work, friends. Now we're going to move on to practicing counting by twos. By twos. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Great work, friends. High five. Continue working on counting by twos. That's a new skill we've been working on, and you're doing a great job practicing that. All right, now it's time for Mr. Barrow to circle a number, and you're going to whisper what number that is. What number is this? 15. Very good. What is 10 more than 15? So when we're doing 10, we can just go to the next row because each row has 10. So we know 10 more than 15 is 25 because we just went down a whole new row. Very good, friends. All right, let's do one more. What number is this? 29. What is one more than 29? 30. Very good. What is one less than 29? 28. Excellent work. Let's look at that number 29. How many tens are there? There's 2 tens. How many ones? 9. Very good. All right, what number is this? 32. And this number is 30. So would the alligator be eating the 32 or would the alligator eat the 30? The alligator would eat the 32. Why? 32 is the bigger number. And remember, alligators want more to eat. So they want the higher number, whatever's bigger. All right, we're going to go ahead and look at our clock. Remember, when we're reading time, we always read the shorthand first because the shorthand tells us the Hour. Very good. And then the longhand tells us the minute. Mr. Barrow's going ahead and I'm putting in some of the times for minutes that we have. So we know when our minute hand is pointing to the 12, it's o'clock. So what time is it right now? It is 2 o'clock. Very good. However, what if Mr. Barrow moved the minute hand to point to the 3? Remember, the minute hand is pointing to the 3. So we keep the hour, which is still 2. However, now it says 2:15 because the minute hand is pointing to the 3, which also means 15. All right, we're going to do one more because you're doing a great job practicing your time. What if our minute hand was pointing to the 9? Would we change our hour? No, that's still pointing to 2, so it's still 2. However, now the time says 2:45. So when our minute hand is pointing to the 9, it's 45. Awesome work, friends. Good job telling your time. Keep practicing that at home. Ooh, we have our yummy pizza again. Miss Ribeiro is going to cut it into 4 slices. How many slices do we have? We have 4 slices. Very good. Remember, our whole always goes on the bottom. So we have in whole, we have 4 slices of pizza. However, Miss Ribeiro decided to eat 1 slice of pizza. So how many slices of pizza did Miss Ribeiro eat? She ate 1 out of 4 slices. But here's another question. How many slices are left? So we know Miss Ribeiro ate 1 out of 4 pieces, but how many pieces that are left that she did not eat? Well, we always put the whole number on the bottom, which is 4 slices. There were 4 slices to start. How many pieces are left? 3. So it's 3 out of 4 slices are left to eat. All right, let's read this together, our directions. It says there are 2 rows of chairs. Remember, rows go this way. Show me rows with your hands. Each row has 5 chairs. So how many chairs are in each row? 5 chairs. How many chairs are there? Well, we know that each one has 5 and there's 2 rows of 5. It kind of reminds me of when we do our 10 frame because there's 5 on top and 5 on the bottom. So we could count 5, 10. So 2 rows of chairs with 5 chairs in each gives us how many chairs in total? 10 chairs. That's getting some hard work, friends. Great job. All right. Ron counted 12 green bingo dots. Mr. Barrow's underlining some big information. Now there are 19 dots. How many new dots are there? All right, now I want you to listen one more time. And what's our important information? Ron counted 12 green bingo dots last week. Now there are 19 dots. How many new dots are there? So our question is asking us how many new dots are there? To start, there were 12 and now there are 19. So we need to see how many are new. So we are going to subtract. So our first number, we're going to put 19 on top because when you're subtracting, you want to put the big number on top. And we're going to subtract 12 because that's how many were old. We don't want the old ones. We want the new dots, right? So we want all the new dots. How many are new? So Mr. Barrow is going to write 19 minus 12. And we need to see how many are new. So I'm going to draw a 10 block underneath the 1 to represent 1 block of 10 and 9 ones. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. We are taking away how many? We are taking away 12. So we know in 12 that it's 1 10 and 2 ones. So since I know we're taking away 12, I know I'm taking away this 10 block because 12 has 1 set of 10. And I also know that I'm taking away 2 ones because the number 12 has 2 ones in it. I'm going to circle my remainder. How many new dots are there, friends? I'll let you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 new dots, so that is our correct answer. Whoa, my big brain is getting so filled with all this new math work. Great job, friends. This is really hard stuff. You're doing a great job. We have one more. Which box shows the number 14? Using tens and ones. So let's count each one and see which one is 14. Remember, when we see a stick of 10, we can count by tens. We have 10, 20, 30, 40. Does that give us 14? No. What about this one? There's no block of 10, so we know we're going to count by 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that's not exactly the number we need. We need 14. Let's do the next one. We have one block of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Is that the correct number we needed? Yes, so this is our correct answer. Great job as always, friends. You're doing an amazing job. Keep up the good work. Make sure you're sending pictures of your teachers of any work you're doing in any of the videos or at home so we can celebrate your hard work. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time. Bye.